Hello guys, what's up? This is the Joey Boy PH and I just want to answer all the questions na tinatanong regarding with the past videos that I uploaded since August 2023. And the title of this video is how to connect phone to a mini LED projector via HDMI. So, HDMI, marami kasing klase ito. There are many kinds of HDMI. So, I use HDTV cable. Alright. So, the first question came from Catherine Abelia or Catherine Biala 8713. He said, sabi niya, sa akin, no signal lumabas, hirap naman connect. O yan, di daw siya makakonect. So, that is the issue. So, the main cause might be, ito po ang maaring cause niya, maaring nasa cable ang problema or defective yung cable na binili. And the second one is, you have to check your app. Did you use EasyCast app? Oh, kailangang i-check mo yun. So, the solution is this. First, you have to connect the cable properly and make sure that you are using HDTV cable. And the second one, you should reinstall the EasyCast app. If EasyCast app man ang ginamit mo, i-reinstall mo siya para make sure na magkaroon ng signal. Okay? So, I hope nasagot ko yung tanong mo, kapatid. And the second one, ayan, sabi naman itong ni Israel Buzz. Name of this projector? The name of this projector is YG300 Mini LED Projector. Okay? The next question, galing naman kay Floribel Silvestre, C8P, ang hirap na mga username nyo. Question, paano po ba not working sa akin install? O shall I say it, not working sa akin, nag-install naman ako ng app. So that is his question. So the cause might be is ito. What kind of CP ba ang gamit mo? Android ba or iPhone? Okay ba yung connection niya, yung connectors niya? That might be a problem sa cable connection, connector. HDTV cable pa ang gamit mo. So the solution might be you should use Android phone para tumpak suited siya sa HDTV cable na gamit mo. And check the cables, of course, that you are using. Kasi kung iPhone ang gagamitin mo, make sure na yung HDTV cable na binili mo is suited doon sa iPhone na gamit mo. So, depende sa klase ng Android o ng phone, kung Android ba ito or iPhone. Ayan. So, guys, I just want to remind you the gadgets or materials that we use through this video ay makikita ninyo sa mismong description box. You can see it inside the description box, including the link. Just click the link and you can see the exact price. Makikita ninyo, once na kinlik niyo yung link na yan, makikita niyo yung tamang presyo. And you can buy it if you want it. Okay? So, I hope na nasagot ko yung tanong nyo, mga kapatid. And the next question, ito ay galing kay Francis Aquino 862. Ayan, sabi niya, ano po phone o ano phone po gamit nyo? Ang phone na gamit ko ay Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Ayan, actually sinagot ko ng mga to eh. Gusto ko lang i-area no, sa publiko. Baka sakaling sinagot ko, pero hindi nakita yung message ko kasi because of some works, hindi na naatubag. So, maaaring ito, pag mapanood yung video na ito, hopefully nasagot ko yung mga tanong nyo. Ayan, makita ninyo. Alright. And the next one is from Patricia. Patricia Lee Nasruelo 8444. No installed apps work with this USB. Sayang naman ang cord na binili ko. Sabi niya. So, the cause might be is that you need to install EasyCast app and check the cables you connected. Is it HDTV cable or not? You should connect HDTV cable. So, the solution is you should install EasyCast app, and if you have it, you have to reinstall it. And make sure you are using HDTV cable. Okay. How about the next viewers or the next audience na nag-comment sa atin? Boss, ano tawag dun sa gamit nyong HDMI? The answer is HDTV cable. Makikita niyo yan sa description box, including the link with prices. Okay? Next, not showing QR code. Not showing QR code. Ayan, marami din nagko-comment dito. So, the cause might be is that it depends on the connection and the apps. Did you use EasyCast app? Is it suited to your phone? And the next one is, did you use HDTV cable? So, maaring nandun yung problema. Maaring tama yung cable nga, pero gumamit ka ba ng suited na apps? EasyCast app? Free naman yung download dyan sa Google Play Store, mga kapatid. So, the solution is, make sure to connect the cable properly and reinstall the EasyCast app if you have. Next is from Target UPSC568. HDMI cable by link. The link is in the description already. You can see the link there in my description box. And once you click that one, you can see that the brand, or shall I say it, the kind of item, including the price. Next is from Zis Hangas 1990. By phone connect cart. Hi. To connect to Hojata. Hi. Charging hoti. Hi, sir. Hindi ko alam kung what kind of language is this. So, siguro ang sa akin lang in my own idea or understanding is this. Once you connect the phone into the HDTV cable, nag-charge pa rin ba siya? Nag-charging pa rin ba siya? The answer is yes. Kung tama yung understanding ko dun sa gusto niyang ibig sabihin. Okay? So guys, I hope na nakuha o nalaman niyo yung solusyon o possible solutions na pwede nyo magawa dyan sa problemang na-encounter ninyo sa aking video on how to connect phone to mini LED projector using HDMI or shall I say it, HDTV cable. I hope guys na nakuha ninyo at sana na mapanood ninyo itong video na ito. Alright guys, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and para at least marami din tayong matulungan sa mga gusto ring matuto ng mga ganitong klaseng connections. Phone to mini LED projector. How to connect it to HDTV cable. So guys, mag-upload pa ako about phone to projector. So I hope na makita ninyo yung mga latest uploads ko para at least mas exciting at marami tayong matutunan regarding these gadgets. So thank you so much guys, and I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa ating video nito. Thank you guys! Thank you! Bye-bye!